The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope you all had a good weekend. Hope you're having a great day so far. Morning, Kevin, Burl, Walter. Glad to see you guys. Give me a quick minute here. See, we've been pretty much rising up most of the night. This is a 15-minute chart on ES. Look at NQ first here, or we will if I didn't break it. Oops. Just checking out something else there. There we go. And you can see here the rise up. Low candle today was the first one, 751. It's made it all up way up to 972, so over about a 220-point range. Overnight, copper. You can see I didn't move my yellow lines. Copper's kind of flat. Very flat. Only about 100 ticks. Gold, kind of flat as well. Not quite as flat as copper, but maybe not as flat as I thought. It's about 17 points. Ultra bond rising up here after a big dip down again on Friday. There's my other yellow line. Looking to be about a point and a quarter range. Crude oil rising up again. About 150 ticks of range, and last but not least, natty gas all the way up to 7 again, which is nice. Over 200 ticks of range today, so that's where we stand. Bitcoin falling, and NQ. So that's where we stand. Markets are rising. How's everyone doing this morning? Okay, Tradovate. I did not bring up Tradovate for my own personal trading here. And I need to get my information. So how was everybody's weekend? Everyone's kind of quiet. So let's move our ES chart to a 1 minute. There we go. So giving some clean moves up and down. Ouch. See here. Nice 2 points down, 3 points, 4 points. Up. Yeah, see? Beautiful moves. Both directions. That's the type of, it looks like overnight was a beautiful time to trade. Unfortunately, I had to sleep. You can see these beautiful triggers. Beautiful, beautiful triggers. There we go. Ah, there we go. Okay. Morning, Deb. How are you doing today? Ready to rock and rumble. Its market continues to kind of fall now. ES hit a high here of 38.05. I'm not sure that was high day. Let me look. Looks like it. Looks like it's double topped at that 38.05. Yeah, that's the high day. Coming down from there. Glad to hear it, Deb. Don't think that would have done too. Nope. That one earns its purple there, but this one did not. Not. Of course, this one did not as well. So, we wait now and see what the market wants to give us. News this morning. Do we have any news? Let's look. I think it's a light news week. CPI is not till next Monday. PPI is next Tuesday. So I think this week is very light on news, but we'll look. Yes, there's absolutely nothing on the calendar this morning. Absolutely nothing. You have a Fed speaker at like 3:40 this afternoon, and that's it. Wow. Oh, a U.S. consumer credit at 3 o'clock. That's it. And a Fed speaker at 6 p.m. Wait, what? Hold on a minute. That might be, yeah, that's right. Okay, yeah. Of course, tomorrow we do have the U.S. Red Book, but that's the only actual news report. But tomorrow we also have U.S. midterm elections. So that could cause some turmoil in the markets over the next couple days. Oh, wait. I was wrong about CPI. CPI is on the 10th. I thought I saw a schedule that it was on the 14th. Oops. Well, crap. Huh. Maybe I was looking at last year? Yeah, apparently there is. I thought it was, I looked up a schedule, I swore over the weekend, and I guess CPI is Thursday. Huh. I mean, CPI release schedule. Yeah, I think you're right. Bust of billions. I'm not sure. See, the actual. Now, see, I'm confused. Hold on. This is the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS.gov, schedule of releases for Consumer Price Index, November 14th, 2023. So maybe the U.S. government has it wrong. So we'll see. Maybe CPI is Thursday. We'll have to figure that out. No, no, that's a 12. That was a 2022. Oh, the 2022 calendar. Oh yeah, you're right. It's a 2023 calendar. Wow, good call. Why would they have 20? Okay, I missed that twice. When I looked at it on Friday or Saturday, and when I looked at it just now. And you saw it on my. Good job. I, I'm an idiot. Well, PPI comes out on Tuesday. At least I got one on that one. I got right. But CPI is Thursday. Good job, guys. I apologize. Too early in the morning. Thanks, Buster Billions. Good call. So, yeah, we got CPI on Thursday. Ah, I need a fact checker so I don't be giving out fake news. Yeah, you're right. I'm wrong. I apologize. Old eyes miss seeing things. As we continue to see things drop, let's see, what's everything else doing here? Gold's kind of stagnant in a slightly downward movement. Good morning, Robin. How was your weekend? Crude oil moving down, sideways down. Whoa, not sure what I was looking at there. Copper, slight down. Treasuries, slightly up. Excuse me. Ooh, big move down here. Quick fall. Quick fall McGraw. You can see here from that last trigger candle, we're down about 9 points. That's over the last 16 or so minutes. Not afraid of falling. Agriculture overnight. Moving sideways in a slightly uppish pattern. Excuse me for my yawn. You would think after getting extra sleep this weekend I would be yawning, but here we are. I could do a twang here and there. There's NQ also coming down, you see? NQ, NQ's high was over here at 972. It's fallen to the 924, so about 50 points in the last hour and a half. So we're watching our ESs. I'm not sure why I pluralized ES. It'll pop back up here. Get down to 92 even. Pop back up to 94 5. No idea what we're gonna do today. I mean, obviously we've been in an uptrend just about the entire day with one big pullback right before Europe opened. Morning, Chris. No news today. No big news till Thursday. I don't know. That's a good question. I was also, I mean, I was considering just making. I was thinking about just making one trade a week and continuing to make them pay for the data forever. And they copy trades to the live market from your account, so I don't really want them making any money off of me. So I don't know. That account is, deep into drawdown. So I mean, I've been building it back up, but I need to get a few more funded accounts, so that one won't matter. But yeah, I mean, if they don't pay me, that would make it that asking for a payout. They don't pay me. That would be a bigger headline. I really should turn these alerts for NQ off since it's like ES I'm doing now. ES is trying to pop back up here. Yeah, Burl, that's it for now. Hit that EMA, pop it back down. Just kind of watching this here. Not really doing much right now. No news days can also mean boring days. Hopefully that's not true. Huh. No Dakota again. I wonder what happened to Dakota. Hope he's okay. Been missing a full week now plus today. And I hope you can too as well, Burl. You'll get there. For those following along, I am now up. Yeah. $1,059.99 on my funded earn to trade account after a $310 night last night. Which could have been much, much more had I let it running. Excuse me. Back. And the thing is I'm being very conservative. If I let that sucker run instead of 310, it'd be up $1,000. Just from today, not just, instead of the 300. It's a good question. Chris? Anybody do anything fun over the weekend? Oh, push him back down here. A couple bounces off that EMA. Chris says at 8:05, Great Danes will attack the market. Hey, Glitch, how you doing, man? I'm doing all right. Cumish, how you doing? Welcome. Continue to see the market kind of fall. Right now, Chris, your question seems to be, the answer to your question seems to be 9:15, but we'll see. Kind of just there. Wait, what? I've never had an addiction to porn. Only thing I've ever been addicted to is food. No. Popping back up. Yeah, I'm not sure if that came out of left field there. Yeah, that whole daylight savings time thing, Chris. There's a possibility it's ending. There's a bill in Congress to end daylight savings time. Good morning, JC. Hope you're having a great day. Good morning, Mr. G. Good to see you. Just kind of watching ES here at the top of the hour. Pulling back just a tad. Yep, pull back down. So NQ down to 20, 19. Excellent job, G. Good luck, Chris. Morning, Mr. LaRocco. How are you doing? Good luck with that there, Mr. Chris. Not sure why I'm calling everybody Mr. now, but okay. I think you need to get rid of that work thing. If we bounce here, see that pin bar. It's not really bouncing up from it. As we continue to push on down. We're pushing on down. Wow, big push down. Continuing to fall. There's your 59.15, Chris. All right, Wire. Have a nice nap. Oh, wow. Okay. Market's acting really weird all of a sudden. Look at that. Wick. Candle opened at 37.91, popped up 9 points, and pulled back. And Q popped from 917 up to 948, so 31 points and pulled back. And now it's giving it all back again. Power the dollar, hello. That was a trigger candle. It kind of would have worked, but not with that pullback on that. That's a weird, very weird price action there. And it seems like it's trying to head up now. I hear the trainer coming. Friday's high being 38.0, 38.05 and a half. And Q, you see, popped up there, got up back up to 953. So Chris, you're almost right on both ends there. 915, 960, almost got there. Ultra bond market opens in about 13 minutes. Still no Dakota. Hope he's okay. Hope Dakota doesn't turn into another Vincent Nieves. Hey, Sonny. It's never fun to trade with a headache. Thank you for that, G. I knew a Nicole once. Just kind of like a hurricane. And another push down. Everybody look what's going round. Yeah. Never know when I'm gonna break into song. It's soon time for Christmas songs. That was an interesting little price action there. Popped up, popped right back down, it's giving it all back. Wow. Had a quick burst down. And Q just burst down to 910. ES down to 37.87. Yep, exactly. Oh, now there we go. Another This big wick down. Through the Bollingers, but it's not really bouncing here. CL also had that same movement at the same time. Big pop up there, about 50 ticks, pulled all the way back, trying back up again. Up again. Ultraviolet opening in a few. I leave my computer running all the time. There's the link for Mr. G's YouTube, Winning Wall Street's Money, if anyone's interested. Yes, they kind of pop up here, 91 to 92, not much. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, I'll appreciate it. It helps the channel. Watching both of these is kind of not too much. Gold also, I have a gold 3 minute. Gold did the same move. They all did that same move. That the little pyramid or tent or whatever you want to call it. Up, down. People enjoying talking about digestive issues today? Good luck, Chris. There's the pop back up. Technically, that was a trigger candle there. At Gardner. Purple. As we are rising back up toward 3,800 on ES. Ouch. Not an exciting morning so far yet, but maybe we'll get there. Pushing up here. It's just good morning, Justin. Chris, I don't think you lost your mojo. I think it's just we're gonna be choppy for now. Haven't really been following that, so I have no leads. Yes, just kind of hanging here. 37.95, and Q hanging around 10.933. Oh, big pullback there as the Ultra Bond or the Treasuries market opens. Down 7 ticks on the Treasuries. NQ drops 8 points. ES just dropped 2. Murder was the case that they gave me. Dear God, I wonder can you save me? I can't die, my boo-boo's about to have my baby. I think it's too late for praying, but a voice spoke to me and slowly started saying, bring your life to me, I'll make it better. Murder was the case, Snoop Dogg, 1992. Pulling down again. So that trigger actually worked. Boom. It earned its purple. This is just weird action. I don't know. I haven't trusted any of this action. Gold moving down. Crude sideways. Big move down there at the open for the Ultra Bond. 8 ticks followed by 5 ticks. As we're starting to sell off. So AQ hit 906 there. ES hit 3786. Pop it back up. So guys, I want to talk a little bit about NinjaTrader, one of the prop firms. They were my sponsor on the stream back in July. But as of this point, I want to pull any and all support or any and all promotion of TickTick. I've already pulled everything down that was on my channel. I will no longer promote or talk about NinjaTrader here. Uh, they they decided that, even though I brought them over $3,000 worth of business since that sponsorship ended, just because I had promotional stuff still up on, like a review of them up on my YouTube channel. They decided that they didn't need to pay any other affiliate earnings since the sponsorship ended. And when I brought it up to them, actually, I didn't even bring it up to them. I let them know that the sponsorship position was potentially back open for the holidays, and they originally said they were interested, and then the next day they turned right around and said they're not interested. They're rebranding, and when I went into my dashboard, all my affiliate statistics were gone. So, like I said, I brought them over $3,000 worth of business since the agreement ended for the sponsorship on August 4th. And to thank me for that, they took away the ability to even track what I had done since the sponsorship ended. So I consider that now they did pay me for the sponsorship. I did have to remind them twice to pay me for the sponsorship, but they did pay me. I've never heard them not pay out other people. So they're on that way, they're on the up and up. But I just feel that the way that they handled this whole thing, and the fact that they took away the ability for me to even look to see what kind of traffic I was driving to them, and they seem to think that paying me for a 1 month sponsorship never makes them responsible for any other affiliate earnings after that. I find it shady, and I will no longer recommend nor allow promotion of Tick Tick Trader on any Mighty Ox Trading broadcast or social media, Discord, etc. And everyone should be careful with them because I don't know. If they're willing to do that, then what else are they willing to do? So see ES trying to pop down. Pop down. It's time to figure out that even makes sense. So we approach 830. Stagnant right now. How are we all doing out there? Ultra Bond did a nice little bounce there. Trying to get back up to where it was before it's open. Trigger candle and Ultra Bond. ES still far away from a trigger. No, not that far away, but it's getting beaten down. Yeah, CL sideways now. Its market opens at about 30. It's been trying to give you what you want, what you really, really want there, Pearl. So you're continuing to try and push down here. Oil pushing up. Gold pushing up. Gold setting back up towards 1700 here. I mean, it's got a ways to go. I mean, like, it's going to hit it today, but. CES. Trying to make Burl happy. ES is at 37.85 and 3/4. Ultra bonds bouncing off at ZMA. AQ trying to pop up. So's ES. All right, good luck with that. Watch that. See how JC does on this. Nice little bounce. Came up, a little bit down, right back up. It's a trigger candle. Or it's trying to be a trigger candle. Bless its heart. If it ends up doing that burl, it's going to be like really weird. Nice move here on the Ultra Bond. There, and that's popped up 5 ticks from JC's entry. AQ also sending a log signal here. Nice, JC. ES, that was a trigger candle there on ES. Big candle there compared to what we have been seeing. Not really going much further beyond that though. As they pull right back down. Yeah, right back down. Ouch. Oh yeah, big pullback there on everything. NQ, UV, and ES. Now it's trying to pop back up again. It's kind of sitting here trying to figure out what it wants to do. What it wants to do. Back up to 37.90. So far it's showing signs to the upside. Did not get down Burrow's extra 5 points there though. Chris Moore, you doing okay there? I haven't heard from you since you said you lost your mojo. Hey CVR, how you doing, man? Does ES want to come up here? Just trying to close the smile. Yeah, it's not a good idea. CVR, you should not do that. Markets will always be here, but not if you blow your accounts. Well, I mean, the markets will still be here, you just won't be able to trade. Hey, Dave. Nope, not yet. Hey, Speed Racer. Sideways here for a bit. Gold's a little bit risey. Crude oil's all over the place. Still a little over 15 minutes till it's open. Continuing to watch ES. It tries to push up. $37.90 here has been its kryptonite. It has not. You can see it's touched it once, twice, three, four times now. Can't seem to get above it. Let's see if it can break on through to the other side. Still struggling. Morning realist. Been a while. How you been? Pushing back down again, or trying to. Yep. So again, it failed there at that same level 5 times, and now it's pushing down. Damn. Technically, a trigger candle back down. This is just, I don't know, weird price action, I think. 15 minutes till the energies market's open. This trigger candle would not have worked. This one would have. There you go, Burrow. It's trying to head down for you. Let's see if it can break on through. I just said that a couple minutes ago to the upside. Mind you, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate that. Nice seeing everyone here. 33 people says they're here right now. Welcome, welcome, welcome. As always, feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions and comments are always welcome. As we're pushing back up here, maybe a dip and then rip. Maybe, maybe, maybe. It's hard to say. It's pushed right back down. Pushed. Pushed. Shouldn't allow it to get pushed around like that. Nope. Ended up not being a trigger. What's the Ultra Bond doing? I don't know. Can't look at it from this chart. Oops. Gold pulled back. Crude's been popping up there. It's been staying around. You can see how sideways that is. That's an ugly chart. Ultra Bond pulling down. Tried twice. Boop, boop, and then failed and down. You can see here, it is pushing back down after that candle. Looked like a reversal candle. Should have taken it. Oh, not that I show my trades anymore. Anyway, no news today, Speed Racer. No news, not much news until Thursday when CPI comes out. It's a very slow news week until the big one. You're welcome. Excuse me. Yawning. Morning, Crypticon. Hey, Ace. How's everyone feeling, Crypticon? Yep, Tick Tick Trader is Trick Trick Trader. So that button's fast. I'm doing alright, Ace. Things definitely seem to be moving in the right direction. My bot is a much better trader than me, and I'm up at over $1,000 in 6 days on my funded account. Thing is, if I'll just let it go and do its thing instead of like interfering and closing trades early or turning it off early, I'll be up like $5,000. No, about 2,500 because I've been running 5 micros instead of a full mini. Well, I happen to have a friend that codes them. Well, he's in here, or he was, Matt LaRocco. He coded the bot based on my strategy. It's only for NinjaTrader using the NinjaTrader. What's it called? NinjaTrader Ninja Script. Yeah, Ninja Script. However that works. I don't understand it, but he does. And that's all that matters. uh, this is a trigger candle, and it kind of surprised me, so it didn't take, well, you don't see my trades anyway. You can see how it's failed 3 times now, popping up, and it keeps trying. Bless its heart. See if it makes it this time. Like it's going to. I'm gonna give it its purple. It didn't make 2 points yet, but we're gonna assume it does. Yep, it earned its purple. I will say this, Speed Racer, there are bots that are for sale all over the internet, and most of them are probably crap. Um, if you ever, if you ever have an idea that you want coded, you should be willing to pay for it. But most of the commercial bots available are just absolute crap. So we are about 31 and a half minutes. Wow, that was pretty exact, wasn't it? 31 and a half minutes away from the bell as we kind of await and see what happens this morning. I should have a countdown timer. Yeah, that big blank spot up there. I wonder if I can find a countdown timer for the bell each day. Or for news. That'd be cool. As long as I remember to actually like input what it needs to count down to. Were you disconnected during that time, Chris? Of an internet outage? Well, I guess not for that long. There was no rhythmic issues. That's weird. I was connected to rhythmic all night. I wonder if I can incorporate that in that upper right hand corner. There's the top of the hour. Pushing up. That is really weird, Chris. Yeah, I mean, as long as it's not affecting anything now, you're fine. Still hanging here around 37.91. Popped up. Got above that area that it struggled with earlier, but now is struggling at a new spot. Popping, popping, popping up. Still watching. What's everything else doing? Oh yeah, didn't check crude oil. What did crude oil? Ooh, look at crude blow up at the at the energies market open. Boom, shaka laka. Popped up. Boom, 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 boom. Now up to 92.68 for the high. Pulled back a little bit. Not high a day though, I don't think. Nope, 92.70. So it's kind of a double top there. 92.71, 92.70, 92.68. Triple top. I like triple tops, and I cannot lie. I didn't realize how big of a gap down though we had at the last evening's open. Wow. It hit 92.55. Well, closed at 92.60, sorry, on Friday and opened at 91.02. Was there a contract roll? Yep, definitely need to be careful. Today is, with a no news day, you never know what the market wants to do. What does the market want to do? Nobody knows. The price action we've seen. Yawning. Sorry. Try to mute for yawns, but they've been plentiful this morning, and I don't know why. I literally slept like 11 hours each day over the weekend. Perhaps I slept too much. There, pop them up again. I want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. It's been slow, but you can see here by the purples that we've had some opportunity. This candle here, I said was probably a reversal candle. I did not take that long, but I could have. Seeing a candle like that, you're almost always thinking reversal. Almost always. Almost always. Why am I repeating myself? Why am I repeating myself? Don't you know? Ace is going for the short. EF says, maybe not. I kill you. Coming down now. It just realized Ace went short, so it decided to go short as well. It's now messing with Ace. Popping up, yep. Up, up, up. And down. It can't decide which way it wants to go. Which way does it go? Which way does it go? 18 minutes until the bell. All price action. Well, nice move there on the Ultra Bond. No RJ yet. Hello, John. My weekend was not as good as it could have been considering the results of Saturday night. Yeah, I I agree. But I don't blame the manager nor Alvarado. Honestly, the Phillies bats just went stone cold for 3 straight games. Yes, rising up here. Big candle. I'm a Phillies fan, and they lost the World Series on Saturday. So it's just hanging here. 15 minutes to the bell. Not a lot going on this morning. Not a lot going on. Yep, I agree, Speed Racer. Bit of a grind up here on ES. Since that last trigger candle, it has popped up about 5 points, 5 to 6 points. Morning, Black Beauty. Hello, Frontier. Now, today's not a holiday. I think it's just because there's no news or anything today. There's no big news until CPI on Thursday. So I think it's just a. You also have the midterm elections tomorrow, so people might just be chilling. I don't know. We'll see how the volume is after the bell. Friday is a bank holiday. Friday is Veterans Day. But there's no the CME is open, so we'll be here. No actual CME holidays until Thanksgiving, which is getting closer and closer. Time keeps on slipping and slipping and slipping into the future. 11 minutes from now, market opens in 11 minutes. Excuse me. That's fine. I figured. Excuse me 1 second. Thanksgiving is the 24th of November. The market is closed the 24th and the 25th of November. As we head toward the open. 10 minutes to go. BTC hanging around 20,737. Dogecoin has slipped under 12 cents. You're welcome. Nice little rise up here. This is kind of what Burrow wanted, I think, but I don't think it dipped down enough for him. I'm not sure. Okay, live sucker free. No prosthetic. I have no left leg. Well, that's a shame. I'm sorry to hear that. They they took a casting of my stump to get the right fit for me, and then it was made. PFFD. PFFD. I'm very sorry to hear that. Good. Pulling down here right before the bell. It bopped up to 37.96 and quickly pulled down. And right back up. And it's unsure which way it wants to go, George. Which way does it go? Morning, RJ. How was your weekend? 5 minutes to the bell. Thanks, RJ. It was a fun run. They went way further than I ever expected them to. Considering I never even expected them to get the wild card. Their bats just went silent. We are just 3 minutes to the bell. 3 minute warning. 3 minute warning. Are we ready? Are we ready for some trading? Oh, crap. Everything okay there, Chris? So which way are we going to go at the bell here? Over a minute to go. Good prediction, Matt. Good prediction. $30 seconds. Trying to pop up right before the bell. Keeps getting beaten down with 10 seconds to go. Beat down, beat down. Ding, 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 ding. Yep, there's the pop up. And right back down. We'll go to a 5-minute chart. Wow, burst up there. Oops. There we go. 17 points on NQ. 5 points on ES. Will the Bears get the ball? Up 5 points. NQ up 26. Nice. Nice job, Chris. AES trying to get up to 3,800. Touch 37.99.5. NQ pulling back a little bit, as is ES now. And now red. Red. So big wick up, and now it's turned red. And now it's back to green. It's a traffic light. Pull one down. Ouch. And it's just, wow, just totally indecisive. Nice, Chris. Great job. Great recovery. Told you. Your mojo is just fine. And wow, whoosh down. 42 points down here all of a sudden. ES down 6. About 45 seconds ago in this opening 5-minute candle. Big whoosh down there. Yeah, we've been doing some extensive testing with the bots, finding that the bots do best for during Asia and Europe, and give and mostly give back during the day. So the opening 5-minute candle ended up being down 28.5 points for NQ and 3 points for ES, but you can see how wild that was. Let's go back. Let's go back on ES and let's go back to a 1 minute. You can see the wildness here. This trigger candle actually would have been good. Right, well, technically that was the trigger. And of course, this one would have been good. You can see that one went down almost 5 points. And we're continuing to push down. This is not what Burrow wanted. Not at all. Pushing down. You're like the main strat I've been using on the bot. When I woke up this morning, it was up $2,100 on a on a sim account, and now it's only up $580. So it's given back $1,600 in about 2.5 hours. As ES continues to push down. Ouch. Just hit my hand on my desk. Ow. Oh, continuing to move down here. 37.82. No idea what low day is. I know we're nowhere close. What is low day? Low day is all the way back here in the first candle, actually. 37.38. I don't think we'll get down there. Now, RJ said 37.60 earlier. Yep, exactly. It's exactly what I'm finding, John. As we watch the market fall, real quick, here I'll show you guys. Give me a second, let me find my software. this is from the test on NinjaTrader on the main strat I've been using. This is a breakdown by entry times. And you can see right here is 5 o'clock, which is set 5 o'clock Central. And you can see there's only from 5 o'clock Central until 3 a.m. Central, there's only one red hour. And this is from October 16th through now. But then you see during the day, you see big reds. So this test over since in like 3 weeks has made $17,000, and like 15,000 of that came from five o'clock to 3 o'clock. Shutting it down there would have been beneficial. Well, I mean, technically 8 o'clock. Technically 8 o'clock because these two actually wipe out those two, but still. So that's what we're seeing almost every test. A little bit of a pop up here on ES. Ultra Bond falling fast. And Q, that was actually an interesting pattern there. Let me see, did it do the same thing on the ES? Yeah, it kind of did. See how this broke through that Bollinger Band up there, and that's where the reversal started? Should have kept the Bollinger Bands on there just to follow that. That would have been another great way to tell we were coming back down. Nice boost up here, back up. And back down. It's trying hard to send a trigger here. It's trying real hard. Bless its heart. But rejecting off that EMA for now. Crude popping up. And we're coming back down. On ES. Oh, maybe not. Gold popping up. Oops. Oh. Thought you were gonna chill, Chris. Back down. And back up. And pop it up again. It's a trying. It's a trying. How's everyone else doing out there? Good. Good to hear that, Speed Racer. Go, go, Speed Racer. And back down. Potential rejection here. It's very choppy. Up and it's down. It's left and it's right. It's been coming down, Burl. 37.81 on ES right now. Good job, JC. Good, still a good day. You stayed green. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. ES pop back up, trying to push back down. Got down to 37.78 here. Can it get back down there? It's struggling. Yeah. Keeps trying to push down and gets beaten back up. Just sitting around this 37.81 mark. Ultravon, look at that fall. Yes, trying to stay here at 37.82. Will it make another leg down? Oh, pushing back up. Strong move up there, 2.5 points. It gets beaten down again. Beat down, beat down. There it goes. There's the breakdown. Big candle, 6 points. NQ dropping 18. NQ down to 850. ES down to 37.74. And the Ultra Bond down to the 125s. What's crude oil doing? Crude oil, big fall. So crude oil hit a high of 92.81 and now it's down to 92.11, so about 70 ticks. Gold's reversing there a little bit as well. Copper been falling here for quite a while. A little bit of a bounce. And it's just kind of hanging there. BTC falling as well. It's fallen another $100. Lean hogs. Not giving much. Well, that was a nice move to the upside. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit the mic. I'm rubbing my eyes. There we go. Popping back up. I agree, Ace. Short, short, short. What's for breakfast this morning, Ace? Ace, I think you're more popular than I am. Watch it come down. Who is Yukon Eric? Is he related to Yukon Cornelius? Try to pop up here. Good job, Ace. Price action has been a little off this morning. Ooh, right back down. They tried to get above that EMA, and it was smacked back. Smacked back. Back smacker. I don't know. Agriculture coming down, except for corn. Corn's coming up. Look at that fall in the Ultravon. Wowzers. Wowzer, 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 wowzer. Whoosh. Over a point. Oh, wow. And then big rejection down here. It's trying to get to that 3760 mark. So Popping up. Trying again. Trying again. Excuse me 1 second. Back. Oh, that was a nice trigger candle there. Big pop up. Wow. So it's popping like it's hot. No, you're dropping it like it's hot. Well, I guess if you pop it like it's hot if it's a toaster. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Big move, big move. No whammies. Excuse me. Yes, pulls back down. Hit that upper band. Can you now hear me? Hey, can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Mike says it's working. Is there anybody out there? Okay. Yay, I was getting worried. No one was responding. Thought everybody left. Except for Ace. So watching ES here. Anything else doing anything fun? Crude oil, eh? Another pop up there. Ultra bond leveling out a bit. Okay, good. Pull one down. We're just kind of ebbing and flowing here. This was a good trigger, but it was the first one in a while. I guess technically that was a good trigger. About an hour left on the stream. Reminder, if you haven't hit that like button, I would appreciate if you do, if you're enjoying the content. Continuing to try and make the stream better. I'm sorry, Jayton? I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Jayton G. It says you subscribed about 2 hours ago. If you're still here, thank you for subscribing. Feel free to say hello in the chat. And correct me if I'm mispronouncing your name. See this down, slightly up, down. This up was a little bit higher than that up, but let's see what it does. See if it comes right back. Let's try to trigger back down. Bouncing again. It's popping back up. Ooh, big pop up. Up, 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 up. Up, excuse me. And back, I apologize. Ace, don't get all worried that there was no sound. Yep, big candle down, 4 points. Right back up. Good luck there. Nice little pop back up. Yep, yep, pop back up. Rising up. Great job, Chris. Great job. See, this turned blue and then turned back to white, so technically that was a trigger candle and it would have worked. It earned its purple. It earned its purple nurple. Rising up again. You did excellent, Chris. Absolutely excellent. Oh, is it? Oh yeah. Look at why. Look at the Dow going up. Well, yeah. Dow rising. Copper still falling. Treasury's kind of still falling. Natural gas rising. They're not, Burl. They're not the actual bonds. They're the yields. CFT hates them, and not just because they're micros. They're the yields, and they have like no volume. Look here. Let's bring them up. I think it's. Yeah, here's the micro 2-year yields. This is the volume on it. You can see no candles. Daily chart. It gets 117 so far today. 10-year. Let's see if I can find it here. Yeah, micro 10-year yield volume today 673 total. Yeah, they're just the yields. They're not the actual bonds. Don't ask me what the difference is. I don't know. ES. ES hit 3,800 on the nose and it came back down. Pulling back after hitting 38. And pull it down. Ouch. But yeah, they have those yields have absolutely no uh yeah, I can show you. Like, well, if he knows how to use a spreadsheet, I mean, or do you know how to do a screenshot, Chris? That's how I would do it. Or you could send it as a spreadsheet. You could on NinjaTrader. On NinjaTrader, you go to your results. Here, let me do that. Oh, hold on. So these are you'll see my some of my sim accounts here. Let's say I want to do tick tick. You go to new, and you can do trade performance. I already have no, I don't have a trade performance up. Trade performance. You hit this little funnel looking thing to filter which account you want. Uncheck all the accounts. Just check the one you want. It'll show all your trades here. You can either screenshot this or right click and hit export, and it'll export as an Excel or a spreadsheet file, and you can send that. Actually, I'm not sure what a summary grid is. Hold on. Okay, can't do that. Okay. Chris, if you're using Windows, the Windows key Shift S will do a screenshot if you want to do a screenshot, or you can do that as a like the whatchamacallit, the Excel file. Came down here a bit quick and popping right back up. You're welcome, Chris. Let me know if those work for you. Either one. Hello, Sean W. Not sure I recognize your name, so if you're new, welcome. If you're not new and I forgot you, I apologize. Give me 1 second here. Chris, from this is your control center in Ninja, where it shows you down here you have your tabs. I did accounts. Well, it doesn't matter. You don't even need accounts. Anything, just new. See new up here. Drop down. Come down to trade performance, and that'll bring up that window I showed you. It's down toward the bottom, like 4 from the bottom. Assuming you and I have the same NinjaTrader version, but it should be somewhere close either way. But you're looking for trade performance. You're welcome. So watch ES start to fall again. So it hit that 3,800 mark exactly, and it's fallen 14 points since. Continuing to drop. 17 points now. Down since it hit 3,800. So it touched 3,800 and got burned and like ran away from it. Running. Popping back up a little bit. What did NQ do there? Did NQ fall as well? Yeah, Ultra Bond's continuing to come down. NQ came down 17.5. NQ hit a high of 962 there. That was a 960 mark that Chris was talking about earlier. Has fallen a bunch. Yep, gold falling here. I don't know the symbol for $20 hookers to check how they're falling. Sorry. Well, guys, why do you think he was feeding the kids mush? He needs that 2 points to feed his family. It's 2 points. It's 5 points. Here we go, falling. Afraid of falling, 'cause I can't get off the ground. Muting on and off here a little bit while I deal with some groceries. Base. As always, the market bends to aces will. Right. Bit of a pop. NQ's not popping back up, but ES is. Oh wait, that's because I had one on a 5 minute, one on a 1 minute. That makes sense. Ah. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Hold on 1 second. I'm a big ox. I'm not good at sneaking. Crude oil popping back up. And ride or die. Back down. Duck milk. Alright. Try to continue down, maybe? We're hanging in the same area. Agriculture. Soybeans down. Soybean futures up. Meal down. Corn up. Kind of a mixed bag. Bitcoin. Ooh, wow. Look at lean hogs exploding there. One day I'm going to surprise you all and actually take a trade on this, but look at this. Holy wow. So I forget what, I know it's $10 a tick. I just don't know how it's measured, but this went 58 ticks. That's a $580 move there. Oh, this is getting expensive, bro. I'm going to have to get new, my insurance premiums are going to go up. But I appreciate it, my friend. Morning, Linux. How goes it, the non-Windows Semi? Okay. Hopefully I have one answer. Oops. Yes, over the weekend I turned back time. Oh, I'm sorry. I had it on Lean Hogs, Bitcoin, so on. Back to ES. I apologize. That was Lean Hogs that I was showing that big move up. Yes, I turned back time over the weekend. I turn back time. I really should learn like the rest of the lyrics to that song. I had a feeling since you chose that for your username. Chris, didn't you say you were done for the day? Good luck on that. Oh wow, they can see you're already potentially at profit target. Nice job. Yes, popping, popping, stopping like a rabbit. I often say that with cookies. Well, no, not recently. Used to say that with cookies. That could be happening starting next year, Ace. There's a there's a thing in Congress potentially doing that. Thing in Congress. I do so well. Bill in Congress. There we go. And up and right back down there. Just pulling back. Did it get you break even there, Chris? The Bears have control. I mean, they're always trying to gain control, I should say, I guess. It's been a good fight today. So 20 minutes to go in the stream. How did everyone do today? I know Chris is up. I know uh, Ace is up. Justin's up. That was from last night, I believe. Algorithmically. Nice. RJ is doing well for himself today. Ultra Bond trying to pop up there. ES trying to pop up again. It's trying to pop up again. The last trigger candle up did not work. Last trigger candle down would have. Starting to see a theme there. Running. So no real trends. I mean, we had a small trend there, nothing major. This one was 77 up to 800, so it was a 23-point move, which is pretty big for ES. You know, it's $1,000+ move, and it was basically almost the same move down there, 99 to. So two good 20-point moves. But maybe we're just getting jaded where we don't find 20-point moves that exciting anymore. See, we're squeezing a bit here on the Bollingers that are on the RSI. Which way will we break? Are we squeezing on the regular Bollingers there too? Turn them on. Yeah, we are kinda staying above the moving average. I hear the train coming. Coming back down. Coming back up. There, it keeps trying. 87.5 is where it topped out there. There we go. Nice move. So this ended up being a good trigger candle. Not that one. That one. After 2 failures. But this one was actually a good trigger candle. But then we got to mark the ones that didn't work in blue. Oh, I love blue. Wow, big rejection down. Hit 37.90 there exactly, and then rejected down to 37.86. Looking like a no on that 920 there, Chris. Crude trying to get it back up to 93. Hit 93.10 about 20 minutes ago. Trying to get back above 93. Gold's just hanging around 1680. Yep, it hit 908 there, so yeah, it did get close. CES. So that ended up technically being a trigger candle there. I didn't really notice it, but yep, that would have worked. So try to come down. That kind of looks like the reversal candle, but so far not reversing, still coming down. Since the open, our low is 37.71 and a quarter. And the high was 3,800 exactly.
come back up. Sorry, I was muted for a second. So that did end up being a reversal candle. And a very good one at that. And then this ended up being a trigger candle that earned its purple. This one, oops, that's a blue. We want to give it purple. Purple, purple, purple. Was this a blue? Yeah, it was. How about that? So you see, purple, 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 blue, blue, blue. Now the reason I mark all these is so I can study them and, figure out what look for patterns of why things reject. Like here, this one I wouldn't have taken because it was above the yellow line anyway. This one might have tricked me, but I should not have taken it because it was rubbing right up against that Bollinger. This one, we had a downsloping moving Bollinger Band, sorry. So now this purple, it did work, coming down with the slope. This one, was not rubbing up against the Bollinger. This one, actually I should not have taken even though it worked, because it still was above the yellow moving average line down there. And this purple, this one worked, was rising up, was not up against the Bollinger, and you can see that worked easy. Oh, I didn't give you your purple. So the chart will usually tell you when you should and should not take the trade, even based on the don't following the trigger candle blindly can work. The algo follows it pretty much blindly, but it's better not to if you're manual trading. So about 5 minutes to go. Rising up here, trying to get up to Chris's. There's Chris's 920. So Chris was right. Just a couple minutes off, but was very right. CES continued to pile up. Rising up. Yep. It's been a roller coaster. Down. Come from the trading state for the sound effects. Beautiful, beautiful. You deserve a couple days off. Definitely loves hanging there. You can see it's been in the same area several times. As it tries to rise up. It just, I mean, we really have been rangy today. Even if we have been able to, still, you can still get moves out of a rangy market. You just need to make your targets a little bit smaller. Ah, I just got a cramp in my neck. Ow. I stretched and got a cramp. Ow. There we go. Okay. I think it worked the cramp out. Ouch. That hurt. But it's still there. Ow. As you see ES continuing to rise up, I can't focus on the screen. Ouch. Okay, guys. Yep, as long as there's more party days than bad days, we're all good. And that's the goal, consistency. And making sure those red days are smaller than those green days. Because in everybody's life, a few red days will fall. Speaking of fall, boom down. But right back up. Okay, guys, we're going to call it a day here because this neck cramp won't go away and I can't focus anyway. Do want to thank everyone for joining me. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Remember, we're back here tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Have a great rest of your day. Yeah, I'm okay. It's just a neck cramp. I just need to work it out. Have a great rest of your day, everybody, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.
Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.